In this video, you will learn the features of the Strategies tab on the Control panel. We will learn how to view your strategies, enable your strategies, add a new strategy, edit an existing strategy, customize your view. Let's take a look. I'm going to go to the bottom of my Control panel and I'm going to look for the word Strategies. I'm going to click on the Strategies tab and it'll populate a new window with a bunch of columns in them. To add a strategy, I'm going to go ahead and right-click and I'm going to click on New Strategy. I have some pre-select strategies up here as samples, and we'll go ahead and add one of those. Let's go ahead and click on Sample ATM Strategy. Before I add it, I'm going to apply it to an account. So I'm going to go to the Properties box on the right-hand side, and I'm going to go to the drop-down menu next to the word Accounts, and I'm going to go ahead and apply it to an account, and I'm going to hit the OK button. Once that happens, you'll see your sample strategy now is in the strategy area. To enable that strategy, I simply click on the box on the right-hand side that says Enable. Once I check that, this strategy will be running in real time. If I click on it again, I disable it. In other words, it won't be running. To customize this view, it's really easy. I'm just going to right-click, and it gives me a whole bunch of options. It gives me the option, new strategy, to edit a strategy. I haven't selected one to edit, so that's not highlighted. Synchronize strategies, enable strategies, and much more. I'm going to go all the way down to the bottom and click on that Properties tab. And it's going to give me the ability to customize the columns by simply selecting what information I would like to see or not see within my window. I'm going to hit OK, and we'll be all done. And again, just like any other area here in the control panel, you're able to move your columns to the right or to the left to justify them better for your view. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out all of our quick tip videos to help you get started with the NinjaTrader Desktop platform.